Good morning students, welcome to the class again. Dear students, as you all know that today we are going to start our new chapter of grammar, that is degree of comparisons. As you are watching on the screen, we have 3 degree of comparisons, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. For example, wet, wetter, wettest. Wet is the positive degree, wetter is the comparative degree and wettest is the superlative degree. And big, bigger, biggest, clean, cleaner, cleanest, long, longer, longest, nice, nicer, nicest, simple, simpler, simplest, early, earlier, earliest, pretty, prettier, prettiest. So these are the 3 degree of comparisons. Today we will discuss about them. Students, watch this picture carefully. As I have told you earlier, we have 3 degree of comparisons, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Students, first of all you must know what is the degree of comparison. The degree of comparison in English grammar are made with the adjective and adverb words to show how big or small, high or low, more or less, many or few, etc. of the qualities, number and position of the noun, means persons, things and place in the comparison to the other mentioned in the other parts of the sentence or expression. Means how we use these 3 degree of comparison and when we use these 3 degree of comparison, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now I will tell you what is positive degree, what is comparative and superlative degree. After this we will discuss when and how we use these degrees. First of all, positive degree. The positive degree of an adjective or adverb offers no comparison. मीन्स पॉजिटिव डिग्री वो डिग्री होती है जब किसी भी पर्सन के साथ और किसी भी थिंग के साथ उसका कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं होता. वो एडजेक्टिव भी हो सकती है और एडवर्ब भी हो सकती है. फॉर एग्जांपल, एडजेक्टिव्स में रिच, प्रिटी, हैंडसम, गुड, दीज आर द पॉजिटिव डिग्रीज. स्लोली, ब्यूटीफुली, दीज आर द पॉजिटिव डिग्रीज. फॉर एग्जांपल, शी रन्स फास्ट. इन दिस, फास्ट इज द positive degree. This is a beautiful car. In this, beautiful is the positive degree. Rohan is a handsome boy. In this, handsome is a positive degree. Now, comparative degree. The comparative degree of an adjective or adverb shows the comparison between two people, things, actives, qualities, etc. For example, richer, prettier, more handsome, better, more slowly, more beautifully. These are the comparative degree. Examples are, that building is taller than this. So in this sentence, comparison is between two buildings. In second sentence, she runs faster than I do. In third sentence, this car is more beautiful than yours. Okay, when we do the comparison between two things or peoples or actives or qualities, then we use comparative degree, and in this then is used. Now, superlative degree. The superlative degree of an adjective or adverb shows the comparison among many persons, things, activities or qualities with the group. For example, richest, prettiest, most handsome, best. In adverb, most slowly, most beautifully. So we can take these in examples like, this is the tallest building in the town. So in this sentence, a building is compared to the all buildings of the town. She is the fastest runner among the students. So she is compared to the students, to the all students. Okay, this is the most beautiful car I have ever seen. So in these sentences, superlative degree is used, and as you have observed that before the superlative degree, the is used. When there is the, we use the superlative degree. Dear students, 2 more pictures for you to clear the concept of degrees for you. See the first picture. In first picture, see the first photograph. Here is the photograph of one person. It means there is no comparison. So we take here positive degree. And in second picture there are two persons. So it means there is comparison between two persons. So we take here comparative degree. And in third picture there is many persons. It means there is comparison among the group. So we use here superlative degree. Like this you can observe the second picture also. Here is the same concept is given. Now dear students, I will tell you how to use positive, comparative or superlative degree. You have to keep in your mind some points. When we use the positive, comparative and superlative degree of adjectives. Point number 1, we use the positive degree when we see as blank as and so blank as, and when there is simple statement is given, then we use the positive degree. And second point is when then is given in the sentence, then we use the comparative degree. And when the is used in the sentence, this the is the sign of superlative degree, then we use the superlative degree. So here are some examples given for you. First is positive degree. No other boy in the class is as good as John. Here as blank as is given, so good is the adjective, so we use the positive degree here. And second, for comparative degree, John is better than any other boy in the class. So then is given in this sentence, so we use the comparative degree, and the comparative degree of good is better. And in third sentence, John is the best boy in the class, so the is given here, so we use the superlative degree, and the superlative degree of good is best. Some more examples are also given in this worksheet, and you can read these examples, and I hope you have understood all these things very well. Keep on practicing and do your best. Thank you very much, dear students.